Hi guys, I'm Kevin Kiefer here with Olympus DGC on Florida's Adventure Coast. Yeah, so some of the history behind the course was it was initially just a beautiful property back in 1998, and Mike Barnett found the property, and he decided to put an incredible 27-hole disc golf course out here that was temporary for the entire month of March. We would play this incredible 4 weekends of Throwdown the Mountain, and the property came up for sale 2 years ago, and that's when the owners Paul Macbeth and Dylan Cease decided to purchase the property, now making it Olympus DGC, the 18-hole disc golf course, which is here in Brooksville, Florida, and I think it's arguably one of the best disc golf courses in the world. So what makes this course different from others is our elevation out here. I feel like Florida in general is very flat, and we have crazy elevation change. So like on hole 18, which is our signature hole, you go from 120 feet up in the air down to the lowest point in Brooksville, and then you throw it back up onto a shelf, which is 100 feet up in the air. So just to get that elevation change is a real like eye-capturing experience out here. So we've attracted all talent, actually. It's really incredible. I mean, all skill levels can play out here. We have, tee pads for if you're new to the sport, and then because it's such a premium level course, we're able to host the top touring pros in the world. Just like recently when we had the Supreme Flight Open, we had all the top 100 players in the world competing out here on, such an incredible course. So it's pretty cool that, our sport allows all skill levels to play on the same property. Even if you're new to the sport, you're more than welcome to come out here. We can just teach you the basics, or if you're trying to get really good, we can teach you more, inclined skills. So yeah, you can come out here and get lessons. Honestly, if you're pretty new to the sport, we're not going to charge you anything. We're just going to have you come out. We're going to teach you what disc golf is. We're going to try to get you to fall in love with it first before we try to sell you anything. And that's what I think it's mainly about, is just getting people to fall in love with the sport. And if it grows after the fact, I think that's just a good thing. If you guys want to check out more about Olympus DGC, you guys can check out our social medias or our website. And of course, we'd love to have you guys out here and just see this new, incredible, awesome sport.